Hi everyone, I am here to show you a little bit about how to use the Interactive Practice Studio that is in the back of your String Basics book. So if you look on the back page, you'll see it says IPS for Interactive Practice Studio. I'm showing you this on my iPad, so it's a little different than on the desktop. On the desktop, you'll have to go to the website and type in the address, and then you'll have to download the software. But for a mobile tablet or phone or something like that, you would just have like this little app here. So there's the app, it says IPS. I'll also show you the back page of this book so you can see what it looks like, or you can look in your own copy. Okay, so here is my account. We are gonna go to my book list, and we have to add a book. So now I'm going to hit continue. We're going to hit this shopping cart little icon here down at the bottom. Okay, to check the store for any existing in-app purchases. I think that's okay. Okay. The app is a little clunky, I will admit, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so now we're going to click the shopping cart. Okay, it says if you have purchased a physical book, you can get your book's materials free using the product code found in your book. If you have the actual book of String Basics, you will have a code in the back. So if you do have the book, then you can click yes here. So now it has a 16-digit code in the back, and I'm going to type in the one that I have. It's a kind of a long one, so make sure you get all the correct numbers and letters so that it will work for you. Oops. Okay, now let's try it and see what happens. Okay, so now I have String Basics, Steps to Success for Violin here, and I'm going to add it to my library. You have to agree to the thing, and now I have it in my book list. So now I can click on it and take a look at, I'm actually going to look at these pages here that you see. They correspond, they are the same as the pages in your book. So if I pick page 1, for this, it will show me the very first page of the actual physical book. So this is just the introduction. Welcome to orchestra. If you play strings, you are in orchestra, not band. So we're going to go to the next page. It shows you all about your violin and bow. And then here, different ways to hold the violin. And finally, on page 4, you can see that they have these exercises here. Like number 1 is open D and quarter rests. Number 2 is open A and quarter rests. And then hopefully you guys can see, let's see if I can mark this actually, that would be cool. Oh, maybe not. See, I'm just trying to get to know this thing too. Let's see if I can mark. Okay, well anyway, if you look by open D and quarter rests, you'll see like a little microphone and a little speaker icon. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the speaker here.
Rest, 2, 3, 4.
So you guys can probably hear that there was some awesome music going on in the background. You also you play along with it, so you would pluck your open D string along with the beats. If you notice, they counted you in. They went like rest, 2, 3, 4. That's your tempo. That's your beat that you would pluck those 4 D strings. So that's a little bit about that. You can play along with it. It's super fun. If you want to record yourself playing this, I'll try playing along with the first one. So I'm going to click the microphone this time instead of the speaker. And now it's going to record me. Maybe. Let's see.
Rest, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now I played my violin along with this recording, and I think it should tell you like how you did. Oh, it says, did you use headphones while making a recording? I did not. I don't know why they want me to email my recording. You don't have to do that. Anyways, so this is just some fun stuff for you to explore. You can click on these little stars here to learn some things about your instrument. So here's some things about strings you can learn about. And then also up here you've got video lessons up at the top right of the page. So we're going to take a look at this video. There's the authors of this book, the string teachers, show you videos of how to play.
Sight singing and group pulse. For this lesson, you will not need your instrument, just your String Basics student book. Follow the instructions during the lesson.
So they go and they're gonna
As a group,
sing.
then we'll be able to play our music. So do this for me now. Here's our pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you join me? 1, count out loud. 2, 3, 4. Again.
Okay, so you can watch these videos. They're practicing how to keep a steady beat or a steady pulse, which is super important when you're a musician. So that's a little bit about that. You can look at all of this stuff for the entire book, which is pretty cool. So that is some information about String Basics. I hope this was helpful to you and gives you something fun to do with your book. And if you have any questions, we'll go through it in lessons and see if we can figure it out. But I hope you enjoy and happy practicing.